All right.
For May 19th, we want to thank most especially our taiko drummers from Newark, and thank you very much. Now we just heard a little sliver of the entertainment. Ice cream Joe, come wave. Yes, thank you very much for the free ice cream from Heavenly Ice Cream. So the flavors that they're serving today is pina colada and coconut, and that's what Heavenly is known for. They always serve very exotic, high-grade, quality, premium ice cream, and they always make sure that their commitment to giving back to the community and supporting local communities is strong. So we 20 years, and why not here? So we are having a street festival on May 19th. The city of Hayward has supported it, and it wouldn't have happened if it not for the vision for John Hsieh from State Farm Insurance. John, come on over.
Thank you, Jennifer, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's really exciting that we can have the 20th Asian Heritage Festival celebrate in Hayward. And just one more month, May 19th, we'll be at this location. This will be the stage here. Of course, we have more decoration on the day. And back into 1994, that's the first year we started. And we started in the San Jose. And the reason we do that is because back into 1991, and the president of Bush, president, he proclaimed that the May is the Asian Heritage Month. So I was lucky invited to White House to observe the signature of the proclamation. So while I returned to the Bay Area, I think the Asian community has to do something, because Asian community is part of the United States. So we are so glad that we can get together to introduce the Asian culture to the local community. And in the past 19 years, we travel city to city. We start from San Jose, then Fremont, and then to Newark, Union City. And one year we even have that festival celebrate inside the Great America. So we're really excited. Just at a time of Hayward, the Hayward Loop just almost complete, and we can bring this over here to celebrate. So I really hope that all of you can come and introduce to your friend, that bring them over next month, May 19th. Let's all join together to celebrate. Thank you.
Woo! Thank you so much, John Hsieh. Now I mentioned to you what a great city event was. So easy. Everybody at the City Hall was just so accommodating. They made sure that we had plenty of space. The City of Hayward co-sponsored this event. And I know that what we're going to do is give back to the community and make sure the businesses are promoted, and that the City of Hayward, people need to stop by Hayward. You can't stop at San Francisco, and you can't pass us to go to San Jose. We're right here, and we have character, we have diversity, and we have great businesses to offer. And it's such a beautiful city. We're right across the Hayward BART. We've got lots of parking. What more to ask for?
The essence of what a community is about. So I wanted to thank the organizers. I certainly wanted to thank Dr. Ong. I wanted to thank everybody who has been involved with this project to bring it here to Hayward. We're very pleased to have it in Hayward, and thank you very much.
All right, so that's the City of Hayward. Heavenly, they're serving all their products in compostable materials. And also the Women's Council of Realtors. She has been a real estate agent for World Realty Neighbors for 19 years. And we stopped counting after that. Don't know why. But anyway, she's this beautiful former city council member of Hayward and a Maine. Could you please say a few words for us?
Hello. Everybody here knows that some of the best food comes from out of the United States, right? And as you know, right here in Hayward, we have incredible diversity, so I expect to see all of you here at City Hall.
And I represent State Farm Insurance. And I got to tell you, it's my honor and privilege to represent State Farm. However, the true representation of our organization comes directly from the founder of this organization, and that's our agent in Hayward, John Hsieh. I think about what type of commitment it takes to be a part of an organization such as this for 20 years and have to go through the many different transitions and the evolution of what this festival has come to. And I give him all the honor and privilege for that specific effort that he's been for many years. Let's give John another round of applause. And as a representative of State Farm, my goal as the area manager in this area is really to continue to support these efforts going forward. And whether it stays in Hayward going forward or not, we continue to support John and the cause that this particular organization has. And so we thank you for everything you do. It really does take a village to make something like this happen. So thank you so much for allowing me to do this.
Thank you. And I think the answer is we're keeping this in Hayward, right? Yeah. All right. So next. Is one of our vendors at the event. Thank you very much, Harpreet. Okay.
I'm a resident of Hayward for over 30 years and just doing business here also. So first time, welcome Jennifer's great work for getting the Asian festival here. So I think Hayward needs this also. So we want to show the people what our culture is, and we want to welcome everybody for joining us here today. And also please spread the word. The festival is May 19th, so important this also. Thank you.
Thank you, Marita. From Florida, we put Michael to work today and not just making decisions and talking about it, but he helped put this together. He's our walking ladder. Okay, so I wanted to also recognize our former city council member.
Culture, I really hope that all of you can introduce your friends, relatives, whoever interested in the Asian Culture Festival over here. And the beautiful for this event is that about 10 or 8 years ago, this group, okay, you can see some of them all not Asian, but they learn about the type of drum. Now they pick up the type of drum.
We don't add any sugar.
We have one of the biggest ones in California. So that's a beautiful food exchange culture. So come enjoy the festival with your friends. And it's admission free, everybody's welcome. So just tell your friends. Okay, see you on that day, May 19th.
All right, thank you, John. We're planning to have our students come down. This is a great opportunity for everyone that lives on campus. Here with me is our Residence Hall Association President, Gao Zong, another student leader on our campus. And this is a great opportunity to show our students on such a diverse campus what Hayward is really about. So we're happy this is going on.
Thank you very much, Michelle.
All right, Gao Zong. Gao Zong actually is a pre-optometry student. She shadowed at my office. I'm an optometrist. But I want you to keep in mind, young people, in order for them to achieve their dreams, they need to see someone who's going to be part of their dream, right? Somebody who looks like who they want to be. So please, if you're a business, try to mentor some young person in your office, in your business. So thank you very much. Okay, so
This is Danny. This is my wife Andrea.
And there, because the Hayward Asian Cultural Center will keep growing there. Okay? Would you like to say a few words about the festival?
This is great. This is such a... Do you live here, Henry? No, I live in country, around the city, and go to school districts and schools. About my background, what I did. people that I work with that are part of my foundation. So it's exciting because I got a lot of people that want me to fly here when it comes to here. But I'd love to sit down with you and tell the story.
Yeah, because my chief editor now is here working. His name is.
Sounds good.
I'm trying to set up everything.
Dr. Ong has done
One
an
stop.
excellent job of organizing.
I don't need to go here. Don't need to go here. I need to come to Danny.
That's it. Last year, and I have to say
That's what I'm trying
that
to do.
this is one of
In a few months, I will be starting my
I'm very
nursing
excited. I
school.
really look forward to being a part of this year.
I'm not,
First
it's a,
time I've
well,
seen that you're
the thing is, I have so many connections. Might as well use it.
She is studying right now. She's in the process of getting all of her credentials together. She wants to get her credentials.
So Heartbeat has helped us in getting more booth members from the Sikh community.
If you guys need any signs, you can stop by and check us out. I want to thank Jennifer again and also the rest of the committee for being able to sponsor an event like this, especially
She has already been contacted by a few other institutions
if you
because
have any questions, come see
Let me know. I'll talk to my boss.
We teach at Newark Adult School, which is based in Newark. We teach 4 nights a week, and we teach adults, teens, and children.
Yeah, sounds right. Thank you.
All bases, and we currently need some more students in there. So if you know anyone who's interested in taiko and actually hear us perform today,
I will try to get it today.
come down and
Yeah. So once I get I'll put together my I have to remember what it is.
Thank you, Brian. So as he's going over that way, I wanted to thank Tri-City Boys for being here. Taiko drums, please take it away. Enjoy your day, everyone.
Yeah, Lincoln. Don't.
I see. You are actually when you decide. I'll put somebody else. More appropriate.
Yeah, we don't need to talk. No, I have